What if I told you that your entire life has already happened? Every heartbreak, every laugh, every tears, and you're just watching it unfold frame by frame. I know it sounds crazy, but wait till you hear what physics and philosophy have to say. We think time flows from past, present, and to the future. But what if that's just how our brain renders the reality? Like how Netflix buffers your life scene by scene, when in truth, the whole episode is maybe on the server, the Netflix server. In this case, you are the character, but the story, it's already written. And here's where things get weird. Einstein kind of agreed on that. Einstein's theory of relativity showed that time isn't a universal tick tock. It bends, stretches, and slows down depending on where you are and how fast you move. Meaning, your now might not be someone else's now. So maybe all moments, past, present, future, they all exist together like pages in a diary or a book. You can just flip through them one at a time. But if all pages already exist, who's doing the flipping actually? Philosophers call this eternalism, the idea that every moment, even your death, already exists. The opposite of that idea is presentism, the comforting lie that only this second, this moment is real. One says time is a movie reel that you are watching. The other says it's like a live stream. So, which one feels right to you? Which one feels comforting to you? And be honest, deep down, doesn't it feel like you're just moving through something you already built? Think about deja vu, that feeling that you have been here before. What if it's not a glitch, but a memory leaking from another frame of your timeline? Or that gut feeling about something that hasn't happened yet. Maybe it has happened, just not in the frame you are in right now. And if that's true, does free will actually exist? Or are we all actors just following a cosmic script that we can't see but can only follow through? Maybe time isn't something that even flows. Maybe we are the ones flowing through a frozen landscape of moments. Each second we call now, it might be one more room in a mansion we have already walked through. We just don't remember the layout yet. So, just tell me, if time isn't real, then what's really moving? You, me, or the universe?